Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker says he will not ignore the state's 1931 abortion ban in the wake of the decision overturning Roe v. Wade. Becker believes it would be, quote, improper for him to pick and choose the laws that he wishes to enforce.
The attorney representing Becker and another county prosecutor is involved in a lawsuit targeting the injunction putting that ban on hold. He argues his clients are not subject to the injunction because of a technicality. He spoke with News 8's David Horak, who continues our coverage for us tonight.
It's an abuse of power. It's an abuse of our legal system, and it should not be allowed.
In a challenge to the injunction against the state's 1931 abortion ban, David Coleman says his clients, which include Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker, argue the Attorney General does not have supervisory authority over county prosecutor offices, meaning county prosecutors can enforce the ban if they see fit.
Every county prosecutor is a separately elected official. They have their constitutional and statutory duties, and they can carry them out. And their choice to either charge or not charge a crime against a person is entirely up to them.
That's not actually true. If a judge rules that a law is not enforceable, that's what it means.
Attorney Anastasi Marcu with Levine & Levine explains the Court of Claims' decision includes the Attorney General and any agency or attorneys that the Attorney General supervises.
The Attorney General is a constitutionally mandated position in the state of Michigan. One of their roles is to supervise prosecuting attorneys throughout the state of Michigan. So in one way, the Court of Claims restraining order can be applied to county prosecutors.
Marcu says Coleman and his clients have a case, but not a strong one, when it comes to their argument that the county prosecutors are not explicitly named as parties in the injunction with the Attorney General. Yet, with more guidance to come from the court side of these cases, Marcu says it's a good idea for prosecutors to err on the side of caution.
So prosecutors, if they choose to enforce this, are really running the risk of potential lawsuits, civil rights and otherwise, if they choose to enforce something that may be found to be unenforceable in the near future.
Coleman says they filed complaints of superintending control to the State Court of Appeals, which oversees the Court of Claims. Marcu expects the overall issue of abortion to be settled by the Court of Appeals or the Michigan Supreme Court. In Kalamazoo, David Horak, News 8.